Hey guys, welcome to English 10. We are talking about what to do after the essay now that we've completed the essay. We are moving into an assignment for our next reading about why do some brains enjoy fear. So this is our reading 5. Reading 5, why do some brains enjoy fear? So the first thing you guys can see is that the reading is here. We're on pages 90 and 95 if you're going to use the PDF. You're also welcome to use the online interactive version as well. The first thing you do is you look up these 3 words for your vocab. Then you respond to the question, how does uncertainty create a sense of fear in the story? So we are focusing on this situation that we find ourselves in currently with COVID, but uncertainty. How does uncertainty create a sense of fear? And we can obviously relate to this in the COVID season because we don't know what's next. We can feel a sense of fear. Or in the beginning, back at spring break time, we didn't know much about COVID, and because there was so much uncertainty, there was a lot of fear. Can I even go to the grocery store? Can I go to a restaurant? And so because there wasn't much known about COVID, at the time, fear reigned. Now that we have a lot more knowledge, there's a lot less fear. So thinking about uncertainty in the story, how does uncertainty create a sense of fear in the story? That's your question. Remember to respond to the question in complete sentences, then you will be able to reply to 2 peers. The next assignment is a word study. Why do some brains enjoy fear? And here we have these first 4 questions, and your job is to use textual evidence to support your answers. So you'll actually need to go back to the text, the nonfiction text, and create or use evidence for the answer that you create. Then we look at the speaker's claims and evidence. And remember that everything you need is your instructions here. And so before you fill out this, and you're welcome to copy and paste this into a Google Doc so you can actually fill in this kind of text box. Remember that a speaker's claims are only as good as the evidence he or she presents to support them. Some kinds of evidence are more credible than others. Strong, credible evidence supports the author's claim and strengthens the argument. So as you read through these claims, think about the evidence they provide to decide whether or not the claim is very credible. So that's your assignment for the word study, and finishes you up for the, pull this right out, for reading 5. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email, ask me anything you need to, give me a call, or show up at conferences. All right, good luck.